Ask My Instructor 8.4.33. Use the method of partial fraction decomposition to perform the required integration. First, we will do the partial fraction decomposition. The linear factor 2x minus 1 requires a. The quadratic factor x squared plus 7 requires a linear expression bx plus c. Multiply both sides by the denominator 2x minus 1 times x squared plus 7. Do the multiplication, and now we're going to focus on this last line. First, focus on the quadratic terms. The quadratic term on the left-hand side must be equal to the summation of the quadratic terms on the right-hand side. And so a plus 2b must add up to the number 2. Look at the linear terms. There must be a balance there as well. Negative b plus 2c on the right-hand side must add up to negative 3 on the left-hand side. Finally, we look at the constant terms. Balance the constant terms. 7a minus c must add up to negative 28. We are next going to combine equation 1 and 2. With equation 2, we are going to multiply it by 2. When we multiply equation 2 by 2, I have negative 2b plus 4c equals negative 6. Adding that to equation 1, and I get a new equation that I'm going to call equation 4. Next, I'm going to take that new equation 4 and combine it with equation 3. First, multiply equation 4 by negative 7. Multiplying equation 4, I have negative 7a minus 28c equals positive 28. Now, add that to equation 3, and I get negative 29c equals 0. Which tells me that c equals 0. Take the information c equals 0 and combine that with equation 2. If you were to put c equals 0 into equation 2, what would happen? You would get b equals 3. Now I combine b equals 3, that equation, with equation 1. If b equals 3, what do we get in equation 1? Equation 1 tells us, with b equaling 3, equation 1 tells us that a would have to be negative 4. So I have that c equals 0, b equals 3, and a equals negative 4. Make that substitution, and we are now ready to integrate. I have two integrals. Look at the first integral. If u equals 2x minus 1, then du equals 2 dx. So I write the first integral in the form du over u. Look at the second integral. If u equals x squared plus 7, then du equals 2x dx. Write the second integral in terms of du over u. We have successfully written both integrals in the form du over u. The reason why that is helpful is that we know that the antiderivative of du over u is ln of u. So we are ready to integrate. Next, we need to combine these two logs. To combine the two logs, we first use the exponent rule. K ln of a equals ln of a to the k power. Next, we're going to use the subtraction rule. Ln of a minus ln of b is ln of a over b. Now, the last thing to look at is the absolute value. 2x minus 1, quantity squared, that is always positive. X squared is always positive. Adding 7 is always positive. So I have two terms, two factors that are positive, and so their quotient is positive as well, and the absolute value sign is not required. Take care. Have a great day.